Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Citroen DS3. Then I'll take you for a drive in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a 1.6e HDi Airdream DStyle Plus 3-door 1560cc 2012 on a 61 plate, 0 road tax. Car's done 52,888 miles, MOT'd until the 16th of the 1st 2021. Was last serviced on the 3rd of the 1st 2020 at 51,038 miles. Has a full service history. Fuel economy, urban 65.7 miles per gallon, extra urban an incredible 85.6 miles per gallon, and combined is 78.5 miles per gallon. 0 to 60 time of 12.5 seconds, a top speed of 113 miles per hour out of a 90 brake horsepower 16 valve engine. There's the key, the flip out remote and a proper ignition lock here. And let me see if I can find it, there we go. So we've also got height and reach adjustable steering wheel. The service history, good service history. We've got 6th of the 2nd 2013 at 8,367 miles, Evans Halshaw Hartlepool. 18th of the 3rd 2014, 18,506 miles at Drive Vauxhall Hartlepool. 29th of the 1st 2015, 24,117 miles, Drive Vauxhall Hartlepool. 17th of the 1st 2017, 32,930 miles, Fiat Main at Warsaw. 10th of the 1st 2018, 38,291 miles, and that's Motor Vehicle Services Tamworth. 3rd of the 1st 2019, 43,659 miles, Motor Vehicle Services Tamworth. 3rd of the 1st 2020, 51,038 miles, Motor Vehicle Services Tamworth. 24th of the 3rd 2020, 52,888 miles. We had 4 new tyres put on at Northwest Autocare, the garage we use. Now also I've just found in this in the service book 2 bills. Front brake discs, front brake pads. That was 21st of the 1st 2019. Unfortunately there's no date on that, but 2 rear discs and rear brake pads, so that's also been done. I'm assuming that's those are both pretty recent. I was hoping to see an actual, if there'd been a date above, but I can't really tell. My detective work is failing there, but all stamped up in the service book as well. It's actually need to put it in there. It's a really, really nice car. The beautifully designed Citroens. I've always had a soft spot for them. I mean, it looks like a lot more expensive car, to be honest. A piano black dash. We've got a front central armrest here. That's just power folding door mirrors. And they do look so good from the outside. They're kind of a car that you can accessorize. Virtually no two are the same, all different colours and specifications and interior trims. This is, as I say, yellow with a black roof, black door mirrors, the chrome pack all round. It's a really, really bright looking car. Black alloy wheels, piano black dash, and radio and aircon instrument controls surround this brushed aluminium that's inset into the steering wheel and also around the gear lever. Piano black around the door handles and aluminium there. And they drive so good, and they're so economical too. Now, before people get on at me in the comments, I'm just on the way to the garage to do a stock check, a vehicle check, make sure everything's all right, and just do a little bit of work at the garage, which I can't do from home, and get a bit of shopping too. In the meantime, I thought I would bring the cameras with us and just film a test drive too, because hopefully, what is it, the 22nd of, I've lost track of time, to be honest. I think it's the 22nd of April, and we're locked down till probably May, so we're doing our best to keep in touch with customers and hit the ground running when we come back. I'm working on our website at the moment from home, and also our web store. Hopefully we'll have everything for the motorist, and in the meantime, while we're locked down, there's everything for you if you're stuck at home as well. So if you give that a look, that's bccars.co.uk, and I promise you there's affiliate links to just about everything, so it'll pass the time even if you don't want to buy anything. There's everything. If you want to get your car valued, you can do the sums, value it on our website, ggcars.co.uk. You can arrange finance, you can submit a finance prop, so you don't need to leave your chair, and then just come and pick it up when lockdown's over. It's been really, really well looked after. It's always a good time when there's a little touch-up pen in the boot there. Customers keep on top of little chips rather than waiting for them to go rusty. It makes a big difference. It certainly extends the life of the car too. So great level of specification, aircon, CD radio, Selecki windows, power folding door mirrors, front center armrest here that opens. Very, very sporty feel to it. We've got seats that are kind of sport design, well built up around the edges, nice and comfortable. Cruise control here on the left hand side. We've got your radio controls and CD controls on the right hand side here. Just give it a bit of gas. Going a little bit too fast there. I must remember to, I forgot to bring the sheet out with me, so I must remember to cut the fuel economy figures in and the 0 to 60 time. I think the road tax will be quite cheap. Got the Isofix rear child seat anchor points in the back seats, 3 inertia reel belts. I've not tried to get in the back. I suppose I should do. We'll see if there's a quiet spot, and I'll try and lever myself in there. Yeah, I'll go this way. Has got a great sporty feel to it. Whips round corners like I don't know what. Front fogs. one of those cars that makes you want to drive faster than you should do. It's nice. Everything about it's so nice. The gear knob there, aluminium around the outside, piano black in the inside. I think, well, other manufacturers could learn a lot from Citroen in a lot of respects. Always been ahead of the time. Nice light clutch, great gearbox. Actually, I'll just put that up out of the way. Again, the handbrake there, that's nicely finished off too. Not just a plastic end, it's aluminium and plastic. Aluminium and plastic. It doesn't sound too much better, but it looks better. We've also got 2 power sockets here. Power your phone. The car looks pretty much unmarked. And I'll have to be nice about this car because the person who part exchanged this car saw a Mini online on YouTube, on our YouTube site, and came and bought it. He'd watched many videos of mine, so I'm grateful for that. And this is a lovely car. Thank you very much for coming and buying one off us and bringing us this nice part exchange, giving me something to do. It's just lovely to drive, and looks the part on a lovely, I was going to say summer's day, but a lovely spring day like it is today. It's just a shame we can't all jump in cars and go for a nice drive. Back seats fold down, we've got a rear wiper, rear privacy glass, the integrated rear spoiler on the tailgate, reversing sensors just on at the bottom of the bumper. On the dash there, we've got rev counter on the left, speedo in the center. At the bottom in the speedo is your coolant temperature gauge, and then on the right hand side you've got a I suppose it's liquid crystal actually, fuel gauge and your odometer. I'm sure there's plenty of things that I've actually forgotten. Let's just see if I did notice before that I think it would benefit from a wiper blade on the driver's side, but the rest of the car, it's kind of been serviced to death. And you also know really that no expense will have been spared on it. Just slow down here to 20. So we're nearly at the garage now. You can see there's nothing on the road, so a nice quiet trip into the garage today. Hopefully no nasty surprises when I get there. It does make you think. Some of the businesses I've seen open on the way to the garage, we're set up for over the over the internet, over the telephone, dealing. The only reason you need to come to the garage is basically to test drive it, and then if the deal's, you know, if the car's as described and you like it, then drive off in it. One-to-one business, really. We can abide by social distancing, keep well away from each other. All our cars are fumigated or with an antibacterial fogging machine when they come in. If they go out for a test drive, they're done afterwards again. Unless, of course, the person who test drives it, or which hopefully is the case, buys the car and then drives off in it with their own germs and not ours. So thanks for watching. Got stop-start there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I'm not sure when that will be, but as I say, give us a like and subscribe on the YouTube channel. That helps. Have a look at our website, ggcars.co.uk, and you can also have a look at our web store. That's on bccars.co.uk. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.